Wow, another week, another little lecture video. Christianity. Most of our students are Christians, one kind or another. And most of those students think they can skip this study unit. Because after all, you've been to Sunday school, catechism, you've been confirmed in your church. Hey, you know Christianity, what do you have to study it for? And then they arrive at the exam. Well, we don't have an exam anymore, we've got an e-portfolio. But, and we asked them, oh, something to do with the rise of monasticism in the Middle Ages. We asked them about the relationship between the Pope and secular powers. And they write about the life of Jesus because that's all they actually know. So, this happens with other students as well, but the biggest problem is with the Christian students. But it applies to everybody. You have to study your own religion just as hard as all the other religions that we deal with this semester. Sad but true. So, since most of you are Christian, approach this study unit as if you've never heard of Christianity before, as if it was something totally new and something that you needed to study just as much as African religion or Buddhism. Really, just take my word for it, you need to do that. So, what else can I tell you? Christianity is complicated. Judaism was fairly straightforward. Christianity is very complicated. Because in Christianity, well, 1 equals 3 for sufficiently large values of 1. It's called the Trinity. Don't ask me to explain it. People have been chewing over this for 2,000 years. It's an article of faith. You have to believe it, you have to live it, you have to become one with the idea. But if you really insist, we have a department of systematic theology. Maybe they can help you. For the rest of us, just accept that this is the Christian doctrine. That there is a Trinity. That God, while being one, is also three. Okay, so go back to study unit 1, see phenomenology. We don't try to explain it, philosophize it, explain it away. We just say, there's this thing called Christianity, and this is what Christians believe. Okay, so you will see that the assignment and you have to pick 3 out of the 7 that are available to you. The assignment for Christianity, once again, looks very similar to the one on Judaism. As I explained last week, don't get into the trap of thinking you can just send in the same one again. We will pick that up in a second. We really want you to do one of the Abrahamic religions, one of them. And if you choose to do Christianity, you know, again, you need to be critical. You need to say, okay, the Christian response to the Palestinian question, does it work? Does it work in terms of Christianity itself? Does it work in terms of world political opinion, in terms of the other two Abrahamic religions? But just, you know, retyping what's in the study material, not going to get you anywhere. You have to now think about this and ask difficult questions. Okay, so that's it for this week. Hope you're enjoying our new course, a new online course. It's quite an adventure for us. And I hope to see those assignments coming in soon. See you next week when we will be talking about Islam.